If you ever see such a boat-like thing in the sea, run immediately. Do not even dare to step on it. It might be the last time you ever step anywhere. I'll tell you why. But first, if you think this cat is cute, like and subscribe. Too many cats are abandoned every day. And if you care, drop a heart in the comments. That boat might not be a boat at all. When whales hunt, they open their massive mouths wide, letting thousands of small fish swim inside, unknowingly sealing their fate. And once enough prey has wandered in, snap, the whale shuts its mouth, swallowing everything in one gulp. Now imagine if you were in the wrong place at the wrong time. Scary, right?